This is how you disable the double tap to install on the App Store. Just so we're all on the same page, this is what it is. Go to any app that you're downloading, tap on the Get button. You're going to have a notification saying double click to install, and you got to double click this button right here. This video will show you how to turn that off. So let's get out of here. Let's go to the settings, go all the way to the front settings area, the main settings list, and go down to FaceID and Passcode. Tap on that to open it. Enter your passcode. Mine's top secret, so I'm just going to hide that. Now right here where it says iTunes and App Store for the Use Face ID section, turn that off. And now go back to the App Store, tap on Get again. There's no more double tap notification. There's just an install button down here. Tap on that. It might ask you for your password. It'll ask you for your password every certain number of times. There's no way around that. So I'll enter my password here. Hope that was the right one, and it was, and now it's installed, or it's currently installing. So here it says require password for additional purchases on this device, ? You can change this anytime in the media and purchases settings. So here we can require the password after 15 minutes or always require. So when I said you have to enter it once in a while, it appears to be every 15 minutes. Let's see what happens if we go to the media and purchases settings. Let's right now put that to require after 15 minutes. Let's go back to the settings. Let's go back out to the main settings. And the media and purchases are under your Apple account. So tap onto the very top option on your phone. Scroll down, you'll see media and purchases. Sign out, password settings, view account. We want to do password settings. Here we have the option to always require after 15, and free downloads do not require a password currently. If I tap this on, they do require, even though we just downloaded the free app for Anthropic or Claude or whatever. Anyway, I was hoping there would be a never require password option, but I guess that would be a security problem. So these are the options we have for password settings if we turn off the double click on the side of the phone to install apps. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. You've probably never done it, but it needs to be done. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.